Today, I'm going to share 3 success tips that are often hidden in plain sight. These tips are the game changers that could totally shift the way you approach success. So, let's get into it. Tip 1: Learn to say no more often. Now, this might sound counterintuitive, but trust me, this is one of the biggest success secrets I've learned. Successful people don't say yes to everything. In fact, they say no to a lot of opportunities, distractions, and even people that might seem good on the surface. Why? Because time is your most valuable resource, and when you say yes to everything, you're spreading yourself thin. If you're always saying yes, you'll end up working on things that don't align with your goals, and you'll miss out on the bigger opportunities that really matter. So here's the secret: be intentional with your time. Saying no isn't about being rude, it's about protecting your focus, energy, and ensuring that you're spending time on what will really move you closer to your success. Tip number 2: fail fast and fail cheap. This is a powerful secret, but it's not something a lot of people are told. Everyone talks about the importance of learning from failure, but the real secret is about minimizing the cost of failure. Here's the thing: failure is inevitable. Whether you're starting a business, launching a project, or trying to achieve a big goal, you're going to hit some bumps along the way. But here's the trick: don't let the failures derail you. Instead, fail fast. Don't linger in a failing situation longer than necessary. Fail cheap means minimizing the resources, time, money, and energy invested in something that's not going to work out. Try small-scale experiments before committing fully. Test ideas quickly. If something doesn't work, pivot fast, learn from it, and move forward. The faster you fail, the quicker you can find what works. And the less it will cost you, both financially and emotionally. Tip number 3: embrace boredom. I know this one sounds weird, but stay with me here. Boredom is one of the most powerful tools for success. In today's world, we're constantly distracted by notifications, social media, and endless entertainment. But if you want to achieve real success, you need to get comfortable with being bored sometimes. Here's why. Boredom forces creativity. When you're bored, your brain has no choice but to come up with new ideas and solutions to fill the void. This is when some of your best breakthroughs and creative thoughts will happen. Many successful people have learned to embrace moments of stillness and boredom. It's in these quiet, unproductive moments that you can actually recharge your creativity and think of fresh ways to move forward. Instead of filling every moment with activity, give yourself the space to think, reflect, and let new ideas emerge. Let's quickly recap these 3 success tips that are often kept secret. 1. Learn to say no more often. Protect your time and energy. 2. Fail fast and fail cheap. Embrace failure as a learning tool, but minimize its cost. 3. Embrace boredom. Let your mind wander and spark your creativity. These 3 tips may not be what you hear from every success guru, but they can make a huge difference in how you approach your goals. So, start applying them today and watch how your journey to success transforms. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment letting me know which tip you're going to start using right away.